How to make garlic bread. Making homemade bread as part of any meal can be very special. How to make garlic bread with regular bread is just easy provided you follow the instructions exactly. Garlic bread is actually regular bread topped with minced garlic, olive oil, or butter and then baked or grilled. This bread has so many benefits as its main ingredient, garlic, has a number of sulfur-containing chemicals that helps to increase the immune system, and it also has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral effect on body. It is important that you know you are making and consuming healthy foods. Here are the ingredients needed on how to make garlic bread with regular bread. 1-2 garlic cloves grated. 4-5 slices of regular bread or 1 baguette bread. Butter 3-3 1/2 tablespoon. Basil powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Pepper powder 1/2 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1/2 teaspoon. A handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Aluminum foil. Preheat the oven first to 350 degrees prior to mixing all the ingredients. Get the regular bread and slice it straight up or vertically, but do not separate the pieces. You just need to make slits. In a bowl, add the salt, pepper, basil and paprika powder, butter, grated garlic, and coriander leaves and mix it well. This will make a butter mix which you will need to spread on the bread piece as well as inside the slits. After that, get an aluminum foil and cover the bread with it. Pop it in the oven roughly about 8 minutes at 350 F. Carefully remove and transfer it to a plate. The garlic bread is now ready to be served as a snack with hot soup, with coffee, or as a side dish for pasta. If you desire to create crispy and toasted garlic bread, here is how to do it. Cut the regular bread horizontally and follow the same steps above. Bake the bread without covering it with aluminum foil. You can be creative and innovative by adding cheeses such as feta, cheddar, or mozzarella. You can also make use of olive oil instead of butter. To bake the garlic bread perfectly, make sure that you monitor the bread every 5 minutes or as often as you can to keep it from burning. Adding cheese would surely make it taste better, but is just an option. Always keep in mind to never put aluminum foil in a microwave,